The area of the triangle ABC is 42 centimeters squared. You're asked to find the length of AB and three significant figures. Okay. Well, area of a triangle, I'm going to come down here and do this. I don't need too much space. So the area of any triangle is half AB sine C. Now this tells me that it doesn't really matter what they're called, but if I've got C here, A and B must be next to it. So you need to have a side, and the included angle. That's what that is saying. Now I have here a side, an angle, and I don't have the side. So I'm going to figure out this side here. I've got here, it's a half of A. I'll just call, I suppose if I label this correctly, that's A, and this is B, and this is C. So I'll just swap this. It's a half of A, I don't know. B is 7 sine C, 70, equals, it tells me the answer, 42. But if I was to go half of 7 times 7, I can just, these are all just numbers, I can multiply this by this by this. So 7 times sine 70 equals, and then get half of that, 3.2889. So A times 3.2889, that goes on, keep it there, is equal to 42. So A is going to be 42 divided by 3.2889, which is equal to 42 divided by my answer is 12.7701. I'm going to write this whole thing out. 12.3327. Okay, so that gives me A. You're then asked to find the length of AB. So I'm going to redraw the triangle. I have 7 centimeters. I have 12.77013327. I've got 70 degrees, and I'm looking for this. Now, how I do the following is, if you don't know which one to choose, the sine or the cosine rule, I'm going to show you now. I would always label your triangle A, B, and C, but you can swap some of these around. What I mean by that is, I always want to call my angle that I have in the question A, and I'll get to that in a moment why I'm going to do that. So I'm going to call it A, small a, then it doesn't matter, B, small b, capital C, small c. Now if you don't know whether it's the sine or the cosine rule, what you do is you write out your sine rule. You're looking for a side, so when I do that, I do side at the top, so small a at the top, over sine A equals small b over sine B equals small c over sine C. Now you need to have pairs of numbers here. So you're looking for 3 in a pair. So I've got capital A. Let's do this in a different color. I've got capital A. I don't have small a. Now you need this in your formula to find A, but I've got small b. I don't have this, and I have small c, but I don't have this. I need, in this one here, I need to have 3 in a pair. By that I mean, have I got 3 ticks in that pair, or 3 ticks in that pair, or 3 ticks there? I don't. But that's telling me it's not the sine rule, makes it the cosine rule. You have to remember the cosine rule. It is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos capital A. And the reason I want to call my angle capital A is on the cosine rule, it's in the formula, and it just means I don't have to rearrange the formula. So now I can plug in what I have. I have a squared. A squared is what I'm looking for. A is what I'm looking for. Is equal to b squared. So 7 squared plus 12.7 etc. squared minus 2 times 7 12.7 cos A. Now, if you're feeling brave, you can type all of this in. Me personally, I like to do this side and keep the minus there. I like to do this side and I like to do this side, and then I'll take them away. But you can type that in, and I'm running out of space, so in fact I'm actually going to do that. This is, remember, I've got this on my screen, so this is my answer on my screen. So what I'm going to do is, no, I'm not feeling brave. I'm going to do this instead. I'm going to square this, get my answer. It's there. I'm going to square it. I'm going to add 7 squared is 49. I'm going to add 49 to that. I'm going to write all of that down. 212.076. All of it's going down. 3037. Subtract. And then I'm going to multiply 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 12.77 okay, equals times that by cos of 70 equals 61.146. I'm not going to write all that down because it's on my screen, so what I can do here is I can leave that there and go 212.0763037, subtract my answer, which will be this, equals that. So a squared is 150.92. A squared is equal to 150.92. That goes on. A must be the root of 150.92, which is equal to, keep that on the screen, go square root of my answer, equals 12.28. I'm going to put it up here. 12.2853. Don't need to write it all because it's my final answer. It's asked it to 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3. 8 changes the 2 to 12.3 centimeters. Just look up here and could that be 12.3? Sorry, could that be 12.3 centimeters? Yes, it could. So I'm going to be happy with that question.